to the Who's Well platform, courtesy of Virgin Pulse, where you can learn, connect with colleagues, improve your well-being, and earn rewards along the way. First, let's take a moment to learn how you can get started on your well-being journey. We're first going to go to www.whoswell.com, which will take you to Who's Well's homepage within the UVA HR website. Once here, we're going to scroll down and navigate to the Earn Rewards section. Once we're in the Earn Rewards section, again, we will scroll down and you will see this highlighted section that says Who's Well Portal. If you already have an account in the Who's Well portal, you can click here to log in. If you do not have an account, you can click here to go ahead and register for an account. Next, you will complete the registration process by entering your first and last name, date of birth, and your country or region. You can also select your language preferences on this screen up in the right-hand corner. If you are a subscriber to the UVA Health Plan, be sure to enter your first and last name as it appears exactly on your health insurance member card. Once done, you will click Submit and be entered into the portal. Alternatively, you can download the free Virgin Pulse apps from Google Play or the Apple App Store. And you can also complete the registration process within these apps. If you have any questions, Virgin Pulse Member Services is available to assist you. You can find their contact information by navigating back to the UVA Who's Well website, scrolling down, and using this Questions About the Portal section to contact Virgin Pulse. Now, let's take a moment to learn how you can connect with colleagues and friends who will join you in your well-being journey. Once you've created a Who's Well portal account, you can click Log into the portal. And once you've logged in, you will be taken to the Who's Well portal landing page. Once you've arrived, look for the Social tab at the top, hover over it, and click Friends. Here, you can add or invite friends to join you in your well-being journey. Click Add Friends, which will allow you to find fellow registered colleagues or invite colleagues to join by either entering in their email address or searching by their name. You can also look for friends in your suggested list, within your department, and within your office. Alternatively, you can make new friends by using several different interest groups throughout the platform. To access groups, again, hover over the Social tab and click on Groups. You can browse existing groups or create your own suited to your unique interests and favorite activities. To create a group, click on this purple button, or you can browse the many different groups that are already available within the Who's Well platform. Groups enable you to chat with colleagues and work friends, exchange tips, recipes, and motivate each other. Lastly, let's learn about some of the ways that you can get active with Virgin Pulse, such as healthy habits and journeys. Again, log into the Who's Well portal, which can be found on the Who's Well website, right here, or by opening up the Virgin Pulse app. Once you log in, you will arrive on the landing page. Once you've arrived, look for the Home tab and click Healthy Habits. Next, click View All. Begin browsing healthy habits or choose from different topics such as energy, focus, drive, and health situations. To add a habit, click here, and this will begin tracking your habit. Another helpful feature are the Virgin Pulse Journeys. To access Journeys, hover over the Health tab and click Journeys. Journeys are interactive educational modules aimed at improving many facets of your health and well-being. Multiple topics are available, such as getting active, eating healthy, improving sleep, reducing stress, and improving emotional well-being. Lastly, you can learn more and access other Who's Well and UVA benefits by clicking on the Benefits tab. Scroll down to look at different recommended Who's Well and UVA benefits. If you have any questions, use the support icon in the upper right-hand corner to chat with a Virgin Pulse agent, or access the Virgin Pulse contact information in the Who's Well website.